Have you ever wondered what is the best protection for your wooden deck? Is it an exterior wood stain, or a decking stain, or a decking oil? Let's dive deep into this matter in this video. Before moving into the options and all, first we have to consider the situation of a wooden deck. A wooden deck is a horizontal surface which which will be in exterior, exposed into heavy extreme weather conditions such as sunlight and raining. Especially in our region in Sri Lanka and Maldives, a wooden deck will expose to heavy sunlight throughout the year, maybe 10 to 12 hours a day, 365 days throughout the year. And also raining is very common throughout the year, so it will face to extreme weather conditions. uh, you know, UV rays from sunlight cause more damage to wood. It will burn the surface of the wood, but in a deck, most significant cause is the water. As this is a horizontal application, water droplets may clog over this for long time easily. So it has sufficient time for water droplets to penetrate into the wood. So most significant damage caused by water penetrated into the wood in a deck. So we have to find a solution for this issue to protect a wooden deck. Okay, now let's see the options. First one is exterior wood stain. Exterior wood stain is a surface coating. So it may give you protection from sunlight for many years. But as it is a surface coating, there may be small scratches over it very easily. You know, a decking is a very dynamic application. There may be foot traffic, maybe dragging furniture over that, maybe some buggies or something moving on that. So small scratches may appear very easily. Even a hair scratch will be sufficient for water to penetrate into the wood. So it will create a wet area within the wood for a longer time. So it will cause to diminish the structural integrity of the wood very easily and create spongy loose areas within the wood. So it will compromise for the failure of the total deck. So exterior wood stain is out for this case. Let's see the decking stains. Decking stains are some improved versions of exterior stains. It will have some penetrative qualities, but when comparing with decking oils are far better than all other products. Decking oils penetrate well into the wood, and it will create a thick barrier within the wood. So it will avoid water penetrating inside the wood even with some scratches over the surface. At GORI, we have a premium quality decking oil range. Now we are introducing GORI 7 Ultra Biobased Decking Oil, which gives a long lasting durability for your wooden deck. GORI 7 Ultra now available in Sri Lanka and Maldives. You can call us for more details and to purchase.